Hello fellow Cubers, welcome to my first ever competition vlog. The competition I'm going is a city called Phitsanulok in Thailand. I hope I'm pronouncing it in the right way. Sorry if I mispronounce the name. Right now the plane is taking off. So right now we are heading to Bangkok first. From there we will go to the competition city. By bus, it's around 5 hours away from Bangkok. The plane is landing right now. We just arrived at the Suvarnabhumi airport. Now I'm going to meet my cousin and grab some lunch. So let's go. We just had some lunch and now we are heading to Temple Dawn to take some photos and some portrait there. So come along with me. It's already dark and we need to go to the bus station before 10 because the bus is leaving at 10. So let's go. Got here so early and no one is here at the bus station. We need to go to the hotel first and take some nap because the competition starts at 10:30. Right now it's just 3 a.m. and I also want to sleep. So let's get to the hotel first and see you guys at the competition. So right now I'm at the 7-Eleven to grab my breakfast. So this is my mini pizza and a cup of coffee for my competition. So I've just arrived at the venue and I'm a bit late. The competition is already ongoing and yeah, I need to compete at the 313 Group 1. Okay, this is my very first official solve at the competition. So I'm pretty nervous and you will see my hands are literally shaking. Round 1 finished and I got an average of 14 seconds. I made it to round 2. Right now is lunch break. I'm outside of the venue. I'm just having my bread and I got it from Bangkok. And here is me. Pyraminx first round is about to start. And I'm here just practicing a bit. I am already at the waiting area right now and my round is about to start. Okay. In case of the timer reset to 0 and I got a DNF. Pyraminx first round is finished, and I got an average of 11 seconds, and that's an Anna, and also I got 0.18 single Anna. So yeah, that's my achievement. But unfortunately, I couldn't make it to second round. And 2.2 first round is about to start, and all these cubers are practicing 2x2, also including me. And it's time for 2x2 first round. Two point two round 1 is finished, and I got an average of 5.9, and that's Anna, and also 4.80 single Anna. Yeah, that's great, and I made it to round 2, so I'm happy with that. I don't think I will make it to final though, but no, I'm not great now. My average is like around 5 seconds. So I don't think I will make it to final, but I'm happy that I made it to round 2. And day 1 is finished, and I'm on my way to my hotel, and I took these photos along the way, and I hope you guys like it. I think it's pretty, right? Later that night, we went to the central Phitsanulok, one of the biggest shopping malls, and we have a good time there. I just got Anna's again, about average and single. 5.55 average Anna, and then 4.65 single Anna. But unfortunately, I couldn't make it to final. But I'm glad that I got Anna's again. So yeah. And 3.3 second round is coming up. So right now I'm at the waiting area, and wish me luck. 3.3 second round is finished and I got PS but single average. I couldn't make it to final and I have nothing to compete anymore, so it's time to go back to Bangkok.